Hello friends, hello viewers, welcome to Science Diary, the learning channel. In this video, what we are going to see is about our favorite rings, jewels or the ornaments we use daily. Almost all of us would be wearing at least a ring or a chain in our body. It may be gold, silver, bronze or any metal, but we would be having a ring or chain in our body. The reason why we wear those items is maybe traditional, maybe fashion, or simply we like it so we wear it. But in actual, there are some scientific reasons and the scientific benefits behind usage of those rings and the jewels at the certain parts of our body. Stay on this video to know the interesting science behind this. If you have not subscribed to the channel so far, do subscribe now and don't forget to press the bell icon. The first item we are going to see is the toe ring. It is called Metti in Tamil and Bichiya in Hindi. In India, it has been a big tradition since very early ages and it is being followed till now, that is wearing a toe ring. If you think it is just the traditional follow-up, then it is not. There is an important science behind why married girls wear a toe ring. It is biologically said that there is an important nerve that passes through the uterus from the second finger of their toe. So wearing this toe ring presses their nerve constantly and it helps in keeping the uterus healthy, and this is the reason why married women are traditional to wear toe ring on their second toe finger. There is another fashion prevailing among the unmarried Indian girls, that is wearing a ring on their third toe finger. Few biological researchers say that this helps in reducing their pain considerably during their monthly menstrual cycle. So to all the married girls who are watching this video, if you have removed your toe rings assuming that it is just the formality, no, it is not. Just go and search for your ring and wear it on your second toe finger. It is actually beneficiary. The next one we are going to see is the engagement rings. When I searched for the reason, it took me to the olden Roman era. Those times it was widely said that, and it was widely believed that there is an important nerve that runs from the fourth finger of the left hand to the heart, and their belief is that the married couples wearing the ring on their fourth finger symbolizes their love and bonding for each other, and this is how the practice of exchanging the rings has started earlier. But recent biology says it is not from the fourth finger alone, but the nerve passes from all the fingers to the heart. So anyhow, wearing the ring on any finger with normal tightness will keep it healthy and active. And the next one we are going to see is the earrings. There is a practice of piercing the earlobes during the childhood. Of course, everyone would have done that in our childhood. If you ask if there is any nerve passing through this earlobe again, no, it is not. The science behind that is that there is a meridian point, or called a pressure point, on these earlobes that connects the two halves of the brain. Pressing this point helps in keeping the brain active and supports the brain growth for the children, and this is why ear piercing is done at the childhood. You may ask, it is okay for the child, but why women are still wearing the stud or ring on their ears? The science behind that is pressurizing the left earlobes. That is, the left earlobes keeps the female reproductive system active and their functions healthy. And it will not look nice if a girl wears the ring only on her left ears. So this is why the practice of wearing the earrings on both the ears has emerged. And the last but not the least, we are going to see the science behind nose rings. This is again a widely followed practice of wearing nose rings on the left nostrils. The biology is that pressing that point in the left nostrils reduces the labor pain of the woman while delivering a birth to a baby. And there is also a psychological fact behind this. It says that piercing the left nostrils keeps the brain wave active, and it also says that it is difficult to control those scales with the piercing on the left nose. So the advice is to be careful and don't dispute with them. If you liked this video, click the like button, share the video, put your comments on the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.